Hello, this is Deborah Manus, and I'm here to talk about week 5 of ACA 122. This week we're finishing up week 4. Make sure that you complete your time assessments Excel sheets, and then don't forget to answer the questions from your textbook where you're evaluating those time sheets. I am grading those in Blackboard now. For week 5, you're going to continue working on your career profile assignment. Please be sure to open up the Word document that's posted in Blackboard. If you scroll down to the bottom, you will see how it will be graded. I'm looking for at least 3 paragraphs. In the first paragraph, you're talking about your research where you identify your career, and there's some questions that I'm asking you to answer within the paragraph. In part 2, it's where you're talking with someone who's working in the career that you're interested in, and I have some questions there. And then the third is a reflection on what you've learned about this career and what excites you. This is probably going to be a 1-page, 2-page paper. So on the page, the next empty page, you should include a works cited page. Now, if you're not familiar with MLA format, look in week 4 and right under the career profile assignment, I put in a MLA format sheet that you can refer to. It also gives you the website to the occupational handbook if you're having trouble finding some information about your chosen career. If you look at the rubric, part 1 is worth 30 points, part 2 is worth 30 points, and that's the research and the interview. The reflection is worth 25 points, the works cited page is worth 5 points, and then using good English grammar, good written English is worth 10 points. So if there's lots of errors in your paper, you may get a grade of 90, even if you meet all the other requirements. Okay. Now for week 5, you're going to be working on that career paper. That's really what I need you to turn in. I'd like you early in the week to go ahead and post in the discussion forum the career that you're researching. And this is just so that I get an idea about what you're doing. If you're having any trouble contacting someone to interview, you should email me and maybe I can help you meet someone at the college that knows about that career if they're not actually in that career. Academic goal exploration, there's a PowerPoint there in week 5 for you to look at, and then we're going into chapter 6 where you're just reading on reading strategies, which will give you some really good tips on how to get through those 100 pages of textbooks that I saw some of you had on your timelines. The interesting thing is just about everybody had some point about a little bit of procrastination, unless you were so busy that there was no time for procrastination. And I thought that was interesting, is that the busier people were, the better they really were at time management, because you only had so much time to get it done. I've told you that I teach full-time. I have 3 seated classes in addition to this online class, and then I take an online class. So that's why lately your videos have been in dark Sunday night, because I usually work on my graduate work all day Saturday and then finish it up on Sunday and then start working on your online class and providing this video for you and talking about what's coming up. I've read 2 career profile papers so far. I sent emails out because there was something missing from both of them. So again, make sure you look at that rubric at the bottom of the career profile directions before you submit that in Blackboard. Note that the submission is still in week 4. So even though we're working into week 5, the assignment was in week 4. I tried to copy it into week 5, but I think because it's linked to gradebook, it wouldn't go. So please go back to week 4 when you finish that paper and you're ready to load it. I hope you have a great week.